Hey foodies, Olivia here from Blogging Good Food. Today we are diving into the world of healthy desserts that will not only satisfy your sweet tooth but also boost your energy. Are you ready for a tasty adventure? Let's roll. Starting off with a burst of freshness, our energizing fruit parfait packed with vitamins and natural sweetness. Next up, our protein packed bliss balls. These little delights are a powerhouse of energy and flavor. Now, indulge guilt-free with our avocado chocolate mousse, a velvety treat that's as healthy as it is decadent. Feeling the dessert vibes yet? Stay tuned because we have got more mouth-watering treats coming your way. Time for a nutrient boost with our chia seed pudding, a versatile and satisfying dessert that will keep you fueled. Cooling down with a refreshing watermelon sorbet, a delightful way to beat the heat while staying healthy. Get ready for a burst of citrusy goodness with our zesty citrus granita, a refreshing treat that's as vibrant as it is invigorating. Fuel your day with our superfood acai bowl. Packed with antioxidants, this vibrant bowl is not only a feast for the eyes, but also a nutritional powerhouse. Indulge in the divine taste of our heavenly coconut yogurt parfait. A tropical twist on classic, this dessert is a symphony of flavors that will transport you to the paradise. And there you have it, folks. A lineup of desserts that not only taste incredible, but also give you that energy boost you need. Which one will you be trying first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious adventures. Until next time, happy and healthy eating.